In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in OpenArt. We'll start right from the OpenArt homepage. Once you're there, move your cursor over the image section. Hovering here is what reveals the tools you'll need to edit, so don't click just yet. Simply glide over that area until you see the editing options appear. When you see the option to work on an image, go ahead and click Edit Image. That takes you into OpenArt's image editor. Inside the editor, you can either upload a new picture from your device or pick something you've worked on before from your edit history. If you're uploading, give it a second to process. If you're choosing from history, scroll through your past edits and select the image you want to fix. The goal is to have the image you'd like to rotate open on the canvas. With your image loaded, look to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find and click the Crop tool. In OpenArt, the Rotate control lives inside the Crop tool, so even if you don't plan to crop anything, this is still the place to go. You may see a cropping frame appear on your image. That's normal. We're just using this tool to access the rotation. Now, click Rotate. You'll see the image snap to a new orientation. In most cases, rotation happens in 90-degree increments, so one click flips it to the next quarter turn. Take a moment to check the alignment. Horizons should look level, text should read upright, and faces should be correctly oriented. If the image still isn't where you want it, you can rotate it again. To do that, simply click the Crop tool again to bring the rotation controls back into focus, and then click Rotate once more. Repeat this as needed until the image is perfectly positioned. A helpful tip here: think in quarters. Each click typically turns the image another quarter turn, so 2 clicks equal 180 degrees, and 4 clicks bring you full circle. If you accidentally overshoot, just keep clicking until it cycles to the right angle. Before you move on, give the edges a quick scan to make sure nothing important was nudged out of view by the rotation. If you saw a crop frame appear earlier, you can ignore it if you don't need to change the framing. The rotation will still apply. And that's it. You hovered over the image section on the home page, clicked Edit Image, opened or uploaded the photo you wanted, selected it, opened the Crop tool, hit Rotate, and repeated the crop and rotate action until the orientation was just right.